How do you get really good testimonials? What's the secret behind getting a great testimonial that other people read that want to make them work with you? So, what I see a lot is that there are so many mistakes business owners are making when they ask for testimonials that it literally raises the hair on my back. So, in this video, I'm going to take you through this step by step so you know exactly what to do. My name is Beate Chelette. I am the growth architect. And if you enjoy this video, please subscribe to the channel, like it, leave a comment or ask a question, and please share it with one additional person because we want to help as many people as we possibly can. So let's go back to testimonials. Most of the business owners that I know either are just like sending a Google link and they're telling their clients, here is the link to leave us a testimonial, or they just say, will you leave us a testimonial or a review? And then what people typically do, they read other reviews and testimonials, and then they kind of copy that in the sense, or they say, Susie was really great. Susie did a great job. I really liked going to Susie's place, and I recommend Susie. Now, that doesn't really sound amazing. There's no specifics in there. It just sounds like 1,000 of these other really mediocre testimonials. So instead of that, what I want you to really think about is what are better questions that you can give to your clients so they can give you better testimonials. So number one, you start with the first piece. You ask them who they are. Hi, my name is Susie. I'm a business owner. I'm known as the growth architect. I live in Los Angeles. Then you ask them, what was the problem that you had when you came to me? So somebody would come to me, would say, my business wasn't growing consistently. I felt like I was rambling when I was describing all the different things that my business did. I wanted to really scale my business. I didn't know how to do it. I was lacking a strategy. I was overwhelmed. I did not know what to do. The third question is, where are you now? So this is the question now that we've worked together, where are you now? So somebody who works with me will, typically say something along these lines. That was the most powerful strategy session I've ever had. Now I know exactly who I am. My unique value proposition is clear. I know who my client is. I know what I need to say. I know who to need to go after. I have a clear step-by-step plan. I feel the clarity and I know what I need to do now. It was an amazing experience. Then the final question is, what would you tell anybody who wants to work with me? What would that sound like? Because you want them to talk now to your prospects and tell your prospects what to expect when to work with you. I always tell my clients, please be honest about this. Just share it. If it was overwhelming, say it was overwhelming. If it was intense, say it was intense. If you are excited, say you are excited. I mean, I'm not in charge of the feeling somebody has, because I feel that there's so many different personality types out there that you really want to capture that in your testimonials. And so now somebody will say, so I now that I've worked with Beate, what I will tell anybody who wants to work with Beate is that it's the best money you've ever spent, because in only one day, you're going to hammer out what it usually takes you years to accomplish. I've tried this for years and years and years. I cannot believe how much we got done in a single day. And my direction is clear. So if you are confused, if you are feeling that you're overwhelmed, if you think that you have too many pieces that are somehow loose but not properly connected, call Beate right now. Don't hesitate and work with her. She's amazing. So let's wrap it back up, because this is about you getting proper testimonials. Do not ever put the power of the testimonial in an assumption and hope that your clients figure it out. Give them very clear directions by saying, can I have a testimonial? Give them the questions. What I do when I work with somebody one-on-one, I'll actually put them in this room after we've finished. I'll turn the lights on and I'll give them the questions and I leave them here, and then they can have this testimonial recorded right there on the spot. Because I kind of like the idea that when we've done something like this, that, I want that freshness or that look of awe, that energy in the video that they have after we've done all these things together. So that's really important to me. I would not wait a prolonged period of time. The longer you wait, the more dull the recollection gets and the more dull the testimonial gets. You can also, if you're in a Zoom call with somebody and you do this remotely, you can pin them as a spotlight and then put yourself on the video picture, take yourself off the live video and give them the questions in the chat and record it that way, and then have it edited accordingly. That is another great way to get you a video testimonial. I hope this is beneficial for you. Thank you so much for watching this Beate Chelette, the Growth Architect.